How to see your Instagram password while logging. Make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. As you can see now in this session, Instagram doesn't allow you to see your Instagram password while you are logging. Now I will show you how to see it. So as you can see now, here is your password. So this method only work for you if you have already saved your password on your Google account. So hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.